All right, guys, when you take those Whirlpool sumps out and you replace it, man, that rubber is hard. Make sure you get you some dishwashing detergent. I use Dawn. I keep it in my truck just for that purpose. And I put that on that sump pump so I can slide it in and position it where I need it to be. Now, even with that, it took me probably about an extra 15 minutes to get it in there just right. There's a little lever that you have to get down in there. There's a little clip lever looking deal. You have to get that in the, position it in the slot that's a little bit bigger, put it down, then move it. Then there's gonna be another little slot where it's gonna be a, I don't know, it's just like a little line hanging down, like a little pole or something. But there's a specific spot for that, and it has a notch cut out for it, and you need to get it in there, because everything won't line up right. And also the back, you want to try to make sure you get that back position first, because the back is the one that's going to give you the most problem. So you want to go ahead and get it positioned in there, get it in, then kind of wiggle it around to where it falls in place. But make sure the back is down first, and make sure you put that Dawn soap or whatever detergent you're going to use, liquid detergent, on that back side really good so you can press it down. You don't want to be hitting on it and beating and pulling on those parts. You know, so get that soap all around that whole seal and then press it down, okay? That's the tip for the day, boys. It'll make your life a whole lot easier. Boys and girls, you know, it's some badass cold appliance repair ladies out there, because my mentor is one of Miss Ward. Shout out to Miss Ward. But anyway, guys, this lovely sunny day, I'm going over Lake Louisville Toll Bridge. I ride the toll every day. I pay them folk. And man, it's a beautiful day. We already got the call knocked out. Football just came on. I'm gonna catch the end of the first quarter. I'm gonna be chilling the rest of the day in the garage. And I'm probably going to work on a couple washers and dryers, get them out of there. S&W Service and Repair. This your guy LP. Be safe. Love yourself. Love your family. Happy New Year. And in Dallas, we always tell you when you leave, be safe, bro. Be safe, because it's crazy out here. Be safe.